According to reports and data, the global silicon carbide (SiC) market size was $2.98 billion in 2021 and is expected to register a revenue CAGR of 11.4% during the forecast period. Increasing global demand for electric vehicles (EV) due to rapid adoption of zero-emission technologies, fast growth of the electronics industry due to increasing demand for consumer electronics goods, and rising demand for SiC across various industries due to its high utility and unique properties. Increasing global demand for EVs due to rapid adoption of zero-emission technologies is expected to drive the demand for silicon carbide. The rapid growth of the electronics industry due to increasing demand for consumer electronics goods is expected to boost the revenue growth of the market. The growing volume of sales of consumer electronics products is driven by increasing innovation in information technology, IT, and home appliances, a surge in sales through online channels. Thank you for watching our videos.